Shirley Temple. Shirley Temple is based with Sprite, ginger ale and Grenadine. So take your hurricane glass and make sure you add Grenadine, about 10 ml or more than that if you like. Fill the glass with ice. Make sure you add ginger ale. And top it up with Sprite. So you get a nice 3 colors. To complete the drink, all you need is a cherry. You can use any cherry that you have at home. I'll be using a maraschino cherry. And there you go. Cheers, that's your Shirley Temple. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. And don't forget to drop me a comment below if you want to see more videos of whichever cocktails you want. So let me know. And until then, that's it for now. Cheers and enjoy.